Today, we will make a wonderful drink for high blood sugar and cholesterol level from only 3 ingredients, and that ingredients are easily available at the green market. If you are new here, then subscribe to our channel for more healthy natural remedies. So let's start. Our first ingredient is bitter melon. Take 1 piece of bitter melon and wash it well, then cut the bitter melon into half and remove the seeds from it. Bitter melon, also known as bitter gourd or Momordica carrantia, is often used in traditional medicine for managing blood sugar levels. Research suggests it may help with high blood sugar in several ways. Bitter melon contains compounds that mimic insulin, helping to lower blood sugar levels. These compounds include charantin, polypeptide P, and visine. Some studies indicate that bitter melon can enhance the uptake of glucose by cells, potentially improving overall blood sugar control. Bitter melon might inhibit the production of glucose in the liver, which could help reduce blood sugar levels. Then cut the bitter melon into small slices. It has antioxidant properties that help reduce oxidative stress, which is linked to diabetes complications. Enhancing insulin sensitivity. By improving the body's sensitivity to insulin, bitter melon can help the body use insulin more effectively. It's worth noting that while some studies support these benefits, more research is needed to fully understand how effective bitter melon is for managing blood sugar in the long term. If you're considering adding bitter melon to your diet, it's a good idea to discuss it with your healthcare provider, especially if you're on medication for diabetes, to ensure it complements your treatment plan safely. Our second ingredient is ginger. Take a piece of ginger, peel it. Ginger may help enhance insulin sensitivity, which means your body's cells become more responsive to insulin, a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels. Better insulin sensitivity can lead to improved blood sugar control. Some studies suggest that ginger can lower fasting blood glucose levels. This effect might be due to ginger's ability to affect carbohydrate metabolism and improve glucose uptake by cells. Ginger contains compounds with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are linked to insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes, so reducing these factors might help in managing blood sugar levels. Ginger may aid in digestion and help in the regulation of gastric emptying. This can lead to a more gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream after meals, helping to prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. Our third ingredient is lemon. Take 2 lemons and peel it. Lemons have a low glycemic index, which means they have a minimal impact on blood glucose levels. Consuming foods with a low glycemic index can help stabilize blood sugar levels. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that may improve blood sugar control by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to insulin resistance. Some studies suggest that vitamin C can enhance insulin sensitivity. Better insulin sensitivity means the body can use insulin more effectively to manage blood sugar levels. Lemon pulp contains soluble fiber, specifically pectin. Pectin can help slow down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, leading to a more gradual rise in blood sugar levels after meals. Then, transfer all these ingredients to the blender. Add 2 glasses of water in it. Then turn on the blender and grind all the ingredients well. Strain the juice with the help of strainer. Now finally, our healthy juice is ready. Pour it into a cup. How to take this drink? Begin with a small amount, around 1/4 to 1/2 cup, to see how your body responds. Some people may experience digestive discomfort when consuming bitter melon. Depending on your tolerance and how well you tolerate the juice, you can gradually increase the amount to 1 cup per day. It's generally recommended to consume it in the morning on an empty stomach for better absorption, but you can adjust timing based on what works for you. Keep track of your blood sugar levels to see how bitter melon juice affects them. This is crucial, especially if you're on medication or insulin, to avoid potential interactions or unexpected changes in blood sugar levels. Share with someone who needs it and drop a "Yes, I will try it"